Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check motorcycle frame alignment. Begin by parking your motorcycle on a level surface, ideally on a center stand or paddock stand, to ensure stability. Perform a thorough visual inspection of the frame, looking for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks, dents, or unusual bends. Also, check the handlebars and foot pegs for symmetry. This initial overview helps identify major issues before more detailed measurements. Next, let's perform some basic measurements. A straight edge, about 800 millimeters long, can be placed against the rear wheel to check its parallelism with the front wheel. Any significant gap indicates misalignment. Additionally, measure from the swing arm pivot bolt to the rear axle on each side to ensure the rear wheel is square. The string method, wrapping string around both wheels, is also effective for comparing alignment. For more advanced and precise checks, consider using specialized tools. Laser alignment systems, like the Moto Smart Laser, offer highly accurate measurements of frame geometry, including head tube and swing arm deflection. These systems can detect subtle twists or sag that manual methods might miss. Also, verify the steering head angle and ensure the forks are straight and true, as these are critical for safe handling and stability. After completing your checks, interpret the results. Unequal measurements, gaps between your straight edge and wheels, or noticeable visual discrepancies suggest a misalignment. Minor issues like a slightly skewed rear wheel might be corrected with careful adjustment. However, if you suspect significant frame damage, especially after an accident, it's crucial to seek professional assessment and repair. Riding with a bent frame is dangerous and affects handling and tire longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.